multiplication of fractions using cancellation. Multiply 3/8 and 6/7. 3/8 times 6/7. So, ito pong cancellation ay ginagamit natin kung ang mga numerators and denominators have common factors or greatest common factors. So, example natin ito. So, you have 6 and 8. So, yung 6 and 8, meron pang common factor or greatest common factor. So, meron silang greatest common factor na 2. So, ano mangyayari? So, 8, ika-cancel natin, magiging 4. Kasi 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So, gaya ng rules natin, multiply the numerators. 3 times 3 equals 9. Then, multiply the denominators. 4 times 7 equals 28. So, that is our final answer. So, yun lang. Thank you and God